How to fix OmeTV sound problem. I'm going, guys, to give you the best and the easiest solution for this problem. Let's fix it. Open first your settings of your mobile phone, open your apps option, search for OmeTV and click. Right now you will find there's a list. Go directly to storage option. Here click just on clear cache, so be careful. And right now back click force stop and click next. Okay. And right now, after that, after you click on force stop, go to Play Store or App Store, update your OmeTV now. If the update is available, sorry. Restart next your phone and that's all. Guys, don't forget to like and subscribe.